Shut up, man. Hey, Joe, we need some help.
Good. You're doing fine. I know you are.
I smell fun. Hey, let's go over there. Hey, I think it's more sand over there. That
happens every 1,000 for appreciation, and the extra for high overhead. Now, there is an alternative. King Gerardo Motors brings you late in car model vehicles of every size. There's limited half the sticker price. Yes, one half the price. For the very same vehicle with just a few miles on it. Most King Gerardo Motors inventory is only a few months from rolling out their showroom floor. The first few months will save you a tremendous amount of money. These premium...
I know.
Yeah, get your ass down and get you something to drink.
Give me some, Solomon.
I see drunk and shit. They see all crazy. I'm not bad. You don't got no black dick. Yeah. Oh, don't think this back out. You know, oh, black girl, you think. What station is that? Big station, USA. Heck no. Big station, USA. It's HIC USA. What? Hey, Todd, don't do it. Slide. Don't do it. Duck.
Fred, that's why you almost got lost. Left of that.
Hey, Todd, don't go and slide down the hill. If we are one, fuck no, always lean on me. They try to look serious. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Lean on me, oh. It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
It won't be long. I'm gonna be somebody to lean on. Just call.
I've got a phone and all if you need it.
The district took their truck back, so I'm using one that's been assigned to the incident, and there's some member of the incident team now, and I don't even belong to the district anymore. So we have 20 guardsmen, correct?
And 17 down there. 20 here and 17 down there. Dan, they've got 2 big crews down there. Now let's go, okay? Hey, guy, leave him right there. We're gonna pick him up in this truck, won't you?
All the comforts at home, just delivered. I know you're working hard today, Tina.
It's a sissy way of doing it.
Hey, Dwight.
Roy? Yeah. You get that. Step back out. Wait. Okay.
Need one more person over here.
Can't do it with cigarettes in.
They milking cows or what, Doug?
Whenever our truck leaves, it should be.
Hey, Kelly! Kelly!
Beth.
She can't hear me.
Her name is Beth. Mark, wanna try again? What'd you say? Try it again?